In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-step verification on Yahoo. Before we begin, a quick note, two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account. You might want to turn it off if you're switching devices, troubleshooting sign-in issues, or simplifying access. Just remember that disabling it means your password will be the only thing protecting your account, so proceed thoughtfully. Start by signing into your account. Open your browser and go to mail.yahoo.com or account.yahoo.com, then log in with your email and password. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. For best results, do this on a trusted device and a secure network. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Account Info or Manage Your Account. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your region or layout, and Yahoo may ask you to confirm your password here. That's normal and helps keep your settings secure. On the Account Info page, find the section labeled Account Security. It's usually in the left-hand menu or clearly listed among your account options. Click it to open your security settings. If you see any prompts to verify your identity again, follow them to continue. Now scroll until you see two-step verification or two-step verification. Next to that, click Manage, or if you see a button that says Turn on two-step verification, click it to open the settings panel. Don't worry about the wording, this is where Yahoo places the controls for turning the feature on or off. Inside the two-step verification settings, choose the option to turn off, or toggle the switch to off. A confirmation message may appear. Go ahead and confirm. Yahoo may ask you to verify your identity one last time. This can be through your password or a quick code. After you confirm, you should see that the toggle is off and the status reflects that two-step verification is disabled. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Disabling this feature makes sign-in faster, but it also reduces protection if someone guesses or obtains your password. If you change your mind later, you can come back to this same spot to turn it back on. It's also a good idea to keep your recovery options, like your backup email, up to date so you can regain access if needed. That's it. Log in, go to your profile settings, open Account Security, manage two-step verification, and turn it off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.